All right, guys, let's see if I can get this. All right, sran. Oh no, date D. Okay, now we need to create the alphabet, which is going to be in all capitals: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, I believe. And then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we close that out with a double quote. And then semicolon, right? Okay, and then we need to create our function chunk. And then global alphabet, so we can use that. And then we need to create output. And then we need to create a little for loop right here. I is 0. I is less than 4. Semicolon. I plus plus. Is that right? I don't know. Curly bracket. Okay, now we're inside the fucking for loop. And then output. We need to concatenate the random character. So we do alphabet, and then we do rand 0. And then we get the Sterling of alphabet minus 1. Close all that bracket. And semicolon, right? I think I got it. Okay, close out that for loop. Okay, the for loop is closed. And then we need to return output, right? Okay, now we need to close out the chunk. Okay, close out the fucking chunk. Oh, I think I got it. Okay. Let's echo chunk. No, that's not how I do it. Oh shit. K. Ah shit. How many letters are in chunk? CHUNK. Okay, so KNCUKC. Okay, now I'm back. We need to call a function. Oh, chunk like this, and then we do the little hyphen. Where am I? Okay, period. Then we do the hyphen again. And no, wait, that's not the hyphen. That's the hyphen. And we call. Oh shit! What did I do? I accidentally pressed 2 characters. Ah shit. CK like this. Okay, that's the hyphen right there. And then CHU NK. Oh wow. Okay, no, that